The word we'll be learning in this section is nemui, which you will often hear in conversations about feeling tired, when someone needs more sleep, or when you're in a relaxed state. The word nemui means feeling sleepy or drowsy. It's often used to describe a state where you feel like you could easily fall asleep. People usually use this word to express tiredness or feeling like they need rest. The first kanji means sleep or being sleepy and carries the idea of closing your eyes and resting. In the word nemuru, it keeps its basic meaning. It literally means to sleep. In the word suimin, it contributes the idea of sleep or slumber as part of the compound, giving the whole word its sleep-related sense. Are you sleepy? あなたは眠いですか? あなたは眠いですか? It became night, and I became sleepy. 夜になって眠くなりました。夜になって眠くなりました。I'm not sleepy right now. 私は今眠くないです。私は今眠くないです。I am very sleepy. すごく眠いです。すごく眠いです。The most common synonyms of nemui are nemutai and kongi. Nemutai is similar and often used interchangeably with nemui, also meaning sleepy or drowsy, but can suggest a slightly stronger feeling of drowsiness. Kongi means sleepiness, often implying a persistent state, but isn't as commonly used in everyday conversation. The most common antonym of nemui is sametai, which means feeling awake or wanting to awaken. This word suggests the opposite state of being, where you're alert and energetic, unlike the sleepy and drowsy sense of nemui.